Welcome to Trading with Trend. I'm your host for this video series, Kit Trades, and I'm super glad to have you here. This is going to be the first video in a 4-part series that hopefully will successfully teach you how to trade any trend from A to Z. In this first video, we're going to discuss Trading with Trend's market mindset / theory, also known as our school of thought. And then I'm going to go ahead and take you guys on a quick tour around the Discord. Watch to the end, and I hope you guys enjoy. And as always, sit back, relax, and learn to earn. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to cover is our market theory or our trading school of thought. Our market theory or school of thought is that during a trend, price is more likely to continue trending than to reverse and go against the trend. Therefore, what we do here at Trading with Trend is we identify the trends and then we ride them as long as possible to maximize all of the profits out of that trend. Here in Trading with Trend, what you'll basically learn is 2 things. 1, how to identify a trend, and 2, how to trade that trend. Within how to trade the trends, we're going to teach you where to set stop losses, where to set take profits, and how to calculate your risk per trade. So what I'm going to do is let's look at this chart real quick. And within this chart, you'll basically be able to get a really brief idea of what Trading with Trend's all about. So what we're looking for is days that look like this. Okay, nice trending days. And what we're doing is that we're buying pullbacks. So you can see that right here, the price shoots up. And then you can see that right after it shoots up, it shoots down. This level right here is a pullback. And maybe that's where we would place a buy. You can see that it happens again here. Price shoots up. You can see that it shoots down for a little bit. And so, this level here could be considered a pullback, right? So essentially that's all we're doing to keep it simple. We're waiting for price to explode during a trend. And then we're waiting for that explosion to have, a repercussion, which is a small gradual or rapid decrease in price after the explosion. At that point, if we believe that we're still in the trend, we purchase it at a lower price and obviously sell it at a higher price. So that is the market theory of Trading with Trend in a nutshell. In the next few videos of the series, we're going to go a lot more in depth. Next, we're going to go ahead and go do a Discord tour / Discord overview. So welcome to our Discord. Obviously, this is what it looks like now. However, it might change as time goes on. I'm not sure how long from the date of filming this video you're going to be watching it, but the general sections will stay the same. At the top here, we have announcements and scammer alert. Announcements is obviously where we're going to post, major announcements. Make sure you have your notifications on for that channel. Scammer alert is where you're going to report anyone that DMs you that's not part of our official team. Additionally, the next section here is the welcome section. Under the welcome section, there's a few channels. There is a discussion channel, which is basically our general chat. There is the free training channel, which is where you're watching these videos now. There's the backtesting channels, which has the backtest logs. And then there's the 13 rules of Jimbo, which are just some simple guidelines to follow, as well as a voice chat training section. The next section that's available in the Discord is the Meerkat strategy. That is our premium group. Under that, the only thing you'll be able to see as a new trader is an overview. You can click on that to get more info about the Meerkat system and how to apply to join. The final section you'll see is the Aardvark strategy. That is our 100% free indicator and strategy that is now discontinued. The strategy still works great. We just didn't have enough manpower to cover both the Aardvark and the Meerkat. Therefore, we made the Aardvark free for all and we stopped updating it. And underneath the Aardvark, you will see there is FAQ, documents, and Aardvark. You can browse those categories and channels to learn more about it and install it on your trading view. So that's going to be all for this first video. Thank you for watching. And this is going to be, again, the first of 4 videos. All 4 videos are going to be right here in the free training channel. So you can just scroll down a little bit and start watching the next video.